Daikin Applied is a leader in the design and manufacture of commercial and industrial HVAC systems to ensure the comfort and sustainable environments for people all across the world. Technology Center is an industry-leading HVAC laboratory where we assemble and test all of our product developments and innovations. 3D printing allows us to quickly and rapidly come up with prototypes to fit within the confines of the product development schedules and budgets.
The F770 has given a lot of flexibility in my role as an engineer to provide different solutions, to print different parts, to come up with creative and quick solutions. So this is a nozzle clamp that fits around a large diameter nozzle, and it allows fixturing to attach. And this is something that additive manufacturing has totally changed for us. This is a project that making it was prohibitive with conventional machining. This part printed on the Stratasys F770 for about $500 compared to $8,000 with conventional machining.
If we didn't have a 3D printer, then we'd have to send it out and wait days or weeks for each iteration to come back and test.
This part takes about 2 days to print, but that's just print time on the machine. I only need to hit go, come back after 2 days, and it will be finished.
Our other printers, we'd have to calibrate them almost before every print, and that takes time. And the F770, it's one calibration before longer prints, and we're confident that it comes out.
Also, the fact that it has good resolution and has a really large build volume means that I can print small parts, big parts, basically anything I want. The Stratasys F770 overall is just very simple. Part of that is the GrabCAD software and interface.
GrabCAD print is as simple as taking the native 3D file that I get from whoever requests the print and dragging it into the window. Pick the material from the drop-down menu and the resolution that I want it printed at. Hit the slice button, make sure everything looks good, and then hit the print button and it sends it right to the printer. It's very intuitive.
Compared to our previous experience with large build volume printers, the F770 has been much more dependable, simple, easy to use. We've been able to print everything we've wanted on it. When we looked at comparable printers, we were getting quotes around $500,000. So having the Stratasys printer in $100,000 or less is a huge difference for us.
Daikin Applied is committed to being an employer of choice. Part of being an employer of choice is having the right tools and technologies for employees. Stratasys is a leader in 3D printing, which aligns with the commitment of Daikin to align with leading partners.